Hi everyone, so I just want to go over a few quick things with you. First of all, we have a new assignment with the visual aid presentations. So it's still an informative speech, but you'll be using a visual aid, which will be in the form of a PowerPoint. Now you may use Google Slides or Prezi or a different platform if you'd like. However, just make sure to use the template in terms of structure so that you have title page and all the other aspects that are shown in the template. Okay. This speech is also 5 minutes and 30 seconds, but that is the maximum. I'm hoping people will stay around 4 minutes and 30 seconds to 5 minutes just because the visual aids sometimes take a little bit longer for each speech, and we want to make sure to have enough time for everybody for our speech days. And you'll be using the screen sharing feature on Zoom, and it will also record a little video of you next to your screen share of your PowerPoint. Okay, and just make sure to go over these guidelines, and you'll submit your preparation outline and the PowerPoint. And please make sure not to use video clips or video or audio clips in your presentation because it just takes up time, and you'll be using citations, image citations, if you do get images from other places other than generated by you, because you may decide to use charts that you create or a chart that you find from somewhere else. That's fine too, but you'll just want to cite that if you're getting it from somewhere else versus generating it yourself. And let me show you very quickly the template here. So with this template, the title page is first. So you want to have a title page, and then you want to have a page that outlines your main points. And you don't want to spend a lot of time when you're delivering this. You'll just list them very quickly and smoothly, and then you'll title everything at the top. So everything has a title. Every single slide has a title, and they'll be consistent with your main points. And you can see this person used 2 different slides for one main point, and so she wrote how vaccines work continued because it's a continuation of that first main point. Okay, and so you just want to keep it nice and structured. And in this one she has 3 types, so 3 subpoints, and those are listed out. And then she keeps the headings very consistent. So definitely looking for structure and consistency. Now you may decide just to have the title page, main point slide, and then maybe you just want to have an image per main point. Okay, and that's fine. You don't necessarily have to have a bunch of words. You could just have a few slides showing images. That's perfectly fine because you're the one that will be describing it. And so you don't necessarily need to have much on there. And you could just show a couple of charts. So you probably want to have a picture or a chart, whatever is most germane to your topic, for each main point. So that may be a minimum of 3 slides that are part of the body. So that would be title slide, and you would have your main point picture, another main point picture for point number 2, and a main point for picture for point 3, and then your reference slide. So the reference slide, I'll get over to that. You'll also have a conclusion slide, and then your reference slide will be the list of images that you showed. And so notice in each of these at the bottom, and it might not be showing you on this screen, but you'll see at the bottom of the slides in your template you look at, there will be an image reference, and so you'll just want to include those. But you can keep this very simple. Design is up to you. I'm not concerned about that, more concerned about structure. Design is entirely up to you. Just keep with the structure, and you can keep the structure very simple. Okay, just have a few of these key ideas here, but you may keep it simple. All right, thanks everyone.